Well, howdy, folks. General back to you. I'll show you a little something other here that y'all might want to make for yourself. That's called a skirted, skirted, skirted burning table. See all these things here scattered here, there, and yonder through there. If you're burning stock, you don't want to burn your bench up. Put those down and position them where however you need the configuration of them to hold your work. Got something other big. Just position them however you want to. And if you need more of them, no biggie. And this is 3/16, not 3/16, 3/32 plate steel. This is a piece of square tubing, and I got pointed off at the bottom down here for hold your pins and layout stuff. Get a little straight edge. Stuff to hang them up by. And the back side of it, these are made on. Trying to get this where I can hold this at the same time and show you that comes off. Back's the same way. Pardon my and they lock right back in place. Back's the same way. And I'm purposely welded these on where they wouldn't come off. Now that skirt, I purposely left the drawer out at the bottom a little bit where you can see light down through there. This skirt, when your flame goes down through, it's not going to come out on you because it's solid right there. And I ain't layering over the edges, just stitched on there. This is unistrut. The bottom's down there. Got big nuts, 3/4 nuts on there, 3/4 bolts, all thread 3 inches long. And those are those round things are those press fitted, well, not press fit, but pressed pipe caps that you weld on. And I just welded a 3/8 nut right there where you can kick it. And those turn for each one of them's got its own leveling screw, and that's a round base sits on the floor, so you can drag it where you need to, and then those levelers come down where you can level your table. And that's pretty much well it on it. I've got, excuse my thing here, when you're using a chop saw, I've got a little thing right here. That'll go in where you can adjust it the height you need to. So y'all make you one now. All right, love everybody. Remember the golden rule. Do unto the others as you had to have them do unto you. All right, y'all come back see me. It's General. I'm out.